Hi friends. Welcome to educatwork. Let's continue with the bootcamp on Python. So, we have done with the basics of Python, right? We have done some operations, data types, and work with variable. Now in this video we talk about list data types. We understand what is list and how to use it. Now firstly we solve the previous question and then we learn list. Let's move to idle to solve this. First one is 34 and 45. Output is 32. We write 34 in binary as 00100010, and 45 as 00101101. Now after an operation, we got 00100000 equal to 32. Second is 46 or 30. Output is 62. We write 46 in binary as 00101110, and 30 is 00011110. Now after our operation, we got 00111110 equal to 62. Third is 15 XOR 12. Output is 3. We write 15 in binary as 00001111, and 12 is 00001100. Now after XOR operation, we got 00000011 equal to 3. Fourth is complement 28. Output is -29. We write 28 in binary as 00011100, and invert of 28 is 11100011 equal to -29. Now convert 29 binary into 2's complement, that is equal to -29. 29 equals 00011101. 1's complement, 11100010. Add 1. 11100011 equals -29. Same as for 33. That is equal to -34. Now fifth. 10 left shift 2. We write 10 as 00001010. Now here we use only 4-bit. 1010.0000. On after 2 left shift it become 10. We write this as 00000010 equals 2. Hence the output. Now opposite for 10 right shift 2. See in 4-bit we write 1010.0000. After performing 2 right shift it become 101000. We write in 8-bit as 00101000 equals 40. Now let's learn list. List. The list is a most versatile data type available in Python, which can be written as a list of values separated by comma between square brackets. Important thing about a list is that items or values in a list need not be of the same type. Creating a list. List 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also make list with different data types values like list 2 equals physics, chemistry, 1997, 2000, 50.2, 12. Now print the list 1. And then list 2. Check the type using type. Print type list 1. Print type list 2. It's showing list. In list the index number start with 0 as. In this case, it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We check the length of list using length function. As println list 2. Further we will know we fetch the particular value from list. Let's say we want to access chemistry from list 2, for this we have to write print list 2 of 1. It will print chemistry. For accessing 2000 we write print list 2 3. And, in negative also, list 2 minus 3. And if we want more than 1 values, then we assess using list slicing, as like string. We want 2 to 5 from list 1. Then we write list 1 2. And if you want 2 to 4, then we write list 1 2 to 5. It will print 2 3 4. Now updating list. If you want to update 1997 to 2010, then we do as list 2 2 equals 2010. Now print list 2. List updated. Append method. Using this we can add one new value in list. Example. List1.append 4. List1.append 8. Print list. And if we append two values, then it will insert like this, as example, list1.append 7, 9. Print list. But we want separate values for this. We use extend method, like list1.extend 7, 9. Print list. And for inserting value in particular index, we use insert method, like list1.insert 2, 8. Print list. If you want to remove specific element from list, we use remove, like list1.remove 8. Print list. If you want to remove last element, then we use pop, like list1.pop. Print list. And want to remove specific element using index number, write list1.pop2. Print list. That's all from today's video. If you want to learn some more methods of list, you can Google it, or you find the link in description. Now, here's your today's question. What is the difference between append and extend? Give example. What is the difference between remove and pop? Give example. Solve this and comment answer. So friends, if you enjoy this video, please like and share as much as you can, and subscribe our channel. Join our Telegram channel for latest updates. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.